Welcome to Nature Nurture Hub, where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge and beauty. Under the golden touch of the morning sun, the desert rose Adenium obesum awakens, its sculpted trunk gleaming like ancient stone, its blossoms radiating with vivid pink and red hues that seem to defy the desert's harsh embrace. For plant lovers across the USA, this exotic wonder is more than just a succulent. It's a living sculpture, a story of endurance, beauty, and balance between art and nature. Growing the desert rose, Adenium obesum, is like nurturing a living gem that thrives on simplicity, yet rewards you with breathtaking blooms. This stunning succulent is native to Africa and Arabia, but it has found its way into American homes and gardens for its unique, bonsai-like form and long-lasting flowers. Its ability to thrive in warm, dry environments makes it a favorite for plant enthusiasts in states like California, Arizona, Texas, and Florida, where sunshine reigns supreme. To begin growing your desert rose successfully, start with the right foundation, light. This sun-loving plant adores full, bright sunlight. If you're growing it indoors, place it near a south-facing window where it can bathe in direct light for at least 6 to 8 hours daily. Outdoors, give it a warm, sunny location. Perhaps your patio or garden bed, where the rays of the afternoon sun kiss the leaves. Without sufficient sunlight, the desert rose, Adenium obesum, will grow ledgy, its colors will fade, and it may stop blooming. In cooler states, you can bring it indoors during fall and winter, as this plant loves warmth and detests cold drafts. The ideal temperature range is between 65 degrees to 95 degrees of anything below 50 degrees may cause stress or dormancy. Watering the desert rose is an art, a delicate dance between hydration and restraint. This plant is a succulent, storing water in its thick caudex, the swollen trunk, which allows it to survive droughts. The key rule is simple: let the soil dry completely between waterings. Overwatering is the most common mistake beginners make. It leads to root rot, which can be fatal. During the growing season, spring through summer, water deeply once the top 2 through 3 inches of soil are dry. In cooler months or dormancy, reduce watering drastically, sometimes only once every 3 to 4 weeks. Always use a well-draining potting mix, ideally a blend of cactus soil, coarse sand, and perlite, so the roots never sit in soggy conditions. Fertilizing your desert rose, Adenium obesum, keeps it thriving and blooming in vibrant color. From spring to early fall, feed it once a month using a balanced liquid fertilizers 10-10-10 or 20-20-20 UV diluted to half strength. This helps stimulate new growth and enhance flower production. For even better results, switch to a bloom-boosting formula high in phosphorus once you see buds forming. Avoid feeding during winter when the plant slows down its growth. Nature's way of resting before another burst of beauty. Pruning plays a vital role in shaping your desert rose into an elegant masterpiece. When the plant finishes flowering, usually in late summer or early fall, trim back leggy or overlapping branches. This encourages a fuller shape and promotes branching. Always use clean, sharp shears and wear gloves, as the sap can be toxic if it touches your skin. Pruning not only keeps the desert rose compact, but also triggers new blooms for the next season. Even the most resilient plants face challenges, and your desert rose, Adenium obesum, is no exception. Common problems include root rot, yellowing leaves, and pest attacks from mealybugs or spider mites. The solution: prevention and gentle care. For root rot, always ensure proper drainage and never let water sit in the saucer. Yellowing leaves may simply mean overwatering or insufficient sunlight. As for pests, a soft cloth dipped in neem oil or insecticidal soap will keep them at bay. Another common issue is dropping leaves during dormancy. Don't worry, it's natural. Once warmth and sunlight return, fresh growth will soon appear. To propagate your desert rose, try stem cuttings during the warm months. Cut a healthy branch, let it dry for a day or two, then plant it in sandy soil. With patience and care, roots will develop, and a new desert rose will begin its life journey. For those who love the art of bonsai, shaping a desert rose into a miniature tree can be incredibly rewarding. Its swollen base and twisted stems create a masterpiece that thrives with minimal fuss. The desert rose, Adenium obesum, is more than a plant. It's a living story of survival, elegance, and grace. It transforms every space it inhabits into a piece of art, glowing with tropical beauty, even in the driest corners of your world. Whether on a balcony, in a sunny garden bed, or as a statement indoor feature, this stunning succulent invites you to slow down, breathe, and appreciate the poetry of life rooted in resilience. So, bring the charm of the desert into your home today. Start your journey of growing desert rose, Adenium obesum, and watch how this resilient beauty rewards you with flowers that seem to bloom straight from sunlight itself. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.